What's up, guys? Today we're on a train. We're on the zoo train right now. And I'm still laughing. Like last video, my mom made me end it. Because she wanted me to make a video on the train. So, we're gonna do that today.
Do you want Grady to make a video on the train?
Hey, what are you doing, Charlie? Plus, Jess Charlie here. Seen him before. What was that?
Roller coaster.
The roller coaster broke. No? Then what was that boom sound?
Oh, I don't know.
What is that a kid's roller coaster?
Yeah, but I don't know if you're tall enough.
You guys.
Yeah, by the next time we come, you'll be tall enough.
Right, that was your YouTube channel.
Yeah, this is my YouTube channel.
Is it all done?
No, definitely not. I still make videos, you know that? When is the train gonna get moving?
Yeah, what are you gonna get moving?
Okay, we're getting ready to get moving. And then do you guys want to go into the safari and see all the animals, and then we can go up to Zubu?
What's the do?
Up front.
That thing?
No, up front. Where all the Halloween candy is and stuff.
It'll be too cold there.
You okay?
Me?
Don't worry about it. Careful. Whoa. Careful, you get it on your shirt.
But I'm making.
Just wait till we get out of the sun. You'll be okay. We're getting ready to move.
No, it's fall.
Welcome aboard the White River Junction train. I'm a good special with that.
Who's that?
Please remain seated at all times, keeping hands, feet, and legs inside the car. Children are to sit upright on the benches, 60 feet on the bench seat. Thank you and enjoy the ride.
We're getting ready to move, guys.
Manteniendo manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del carro mientras que este se encuentra en movimiento. Los niños que son capaces de sentarse solos deben hacerlo debidamente en sus respectivas sillas. Estas advertencias
When are we moving, Mom?
de cada uno.
Mom, have a beautiful time. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Oh, there's that one. This is how fast the train goes.
Grady! Running!
Here, scoot over by me, Grady.
Guys, it's so scoot over to me.
Stop scooting over.
I'm trying to scoot in the middle. This is cool. Guys, this is cool.
Charlie, what animals do people see?
I think I'm gonna see giraffes. Number 5.
It's fun. He's just a sleepyhead. Oh, guys, it's fun.
What do we saw?
What do we stop?
It's a stop sign.
A stop sign, guys. Now we're moving.
Mommy,
Yeah.
if Daddy dropped it right out, drop it right there. I'll drop it right. I'll take it.
Lights. Halloween.
I don't notice something.
When is Addison's birthday?
Halloween.
Like on what? Is it October 20th? 31st? Mine is on the 21st.
24th.
But on my
Party
party,
is the 21st.
but my party is also turning 6. On my party I'm turning 6,
Yeah.
right?
Over in the monsters now.
Oh, we're going in the monsters now.
Bro, it's not that dark.
Dark. Alright, guys. Stop sign, because if this is a stop sign, another stop sign. Videos can't be 8 minutes.